dear creatives, welcome back to class. So if this is your first time of joining in my class, thank you so much for joining in. But if you have been following us for a while, I want to especially thank you for always trusting us to give you top-notch millinery tips, tricks and training. My name is Adiola. I'm a headwear designer, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you, or just I want you to walk along with me to see the process of how I'm going to create a design that I had in mind. Although I don't know how the outcome will be like, but I have a picture in my head and you're about to find out what it's going to look like. So in front of me I have my silk fabric right here. You need your scissors, you need your measuring tape, of course you need your hand sewing needle for tacking, and the matching thread of your fabric. And I'm going to be using fiber to create the puff that I desire for this design. So let's go straight into today's tutorial. I hope you are as excited as I am, because I really love when I create designs, or I have an idea, or I get an inspiration and I just want to do my own version. It makes me very excited. So it makes me very excited, and I hope that you are happy to be here as well. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to give you the measurement of the base. The base is 30 inches right here. I'll use 30 inches, and the width of my base is going to be 15 inches. So I'm going to get my band from this base. So it means that this 15 inches is on fold. It means that I have 30 inches by 30. So I'm going to go ahead and create my round band. Just a plain round band is what I'm going to be getting, what I'm going to be creating from this piece right here, and it's going to create my band as well as my base. So as soon as I'm done with this, creating my band, I will show you what it looks like, and then we can go to that super duper idea that I have in mind, which is the embellishment part of this turban. It's actually not going to be a very long tutorial because the design is not so complicated, and I believe you'll be able to try it out as well. So I'm back, and this is my turban base with the round front, and then I attached the belt at the back. So the next step is to create my embellishment, and I have this piece of fabric right here, and the length is 35 inches, okay, 36 inches, and the width is 12.5 inches, or you can just do 13 inches. So apparently if you get 1 yard of fabric, by the time you cut out the measurement out for your base, what is left is going to be this, and I'll need 2 pieces right there. So 1 piece, and here is the second piece. So what I would do is that I'm going to sew it straight down, do a running stitch, repeat the process for the second one. I will turn each of this piece inside out before I insert my fiber. So next thing, I insert my fiber. I'm just cutting off the excess right there. So I have my 2 pieces stuffed. Now I'm going to pass my needle and thread, and let's start the tacking. this is what I have right here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead, like and share, and most importantly, please save this video. You never can tell, it might be the next order that your customer might request for. Thank you so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.